Vivek, and I'm from the school Roots Academy. I'm in 4th standard, and I've attended this workshop called GyanPro, and I made many models like foosball, tricycle, and etc. It's very interesting to make so many things, and you need to make it alone. You have only 2 days. And my favorite thing was the remote control RC car. It worked, but like you have a switch and a remote. You connect so many wires, and mine it didn't get short circuited. Others it mostly got short circuited. But once I did it by myself. Then the RC car is very tough to make. I think for you guys it might be easy or tough. So that's all I have to say. And my school buddies like Dhruva, Shashank, Sankal, and Sankal is actually, he was in my school, but then he changed to MTS. So if they can join, it'll be more interesting for me. And thanks for watching this video.